Three words to summarise the industrial growth plan would be bold, ambitious, deliverable.
An incredible growth opportunity.
Groundbreaking, innovative and collaborative.
Enabling our future.
Make, nurture and protect. The Industrial Growth Plan is a shopping list of all the things you want for the offshore wind sector. It's going to help us put our finances and our money into the right places efficiently and effectively.
The UK's got an opportunity to create a globally leading wind industry, and the Industrial Growth Plan set out the actions we need to secure that. Actions to grow our supply chain to accelerate and de-risk deployment to meet 2030 targets. Action to secure market share through technology leadership. Now the case that action's been made, we need to move to implementation. Implementation that will drive sustainable industrial growth.
I see the IGP as something that brings the industry together and more importantly provides a North Star for funding sources.
We've looked at what we do in other industries, what we need, what we're best at, what can be supplied locally with an export capability.
The IGP delivery body will play a key role in helping the supply chain to understand the different sources of funding, to help them work out how best to deliver and make the most of those opportunities.
Offshore Wind Growth Partnership is assuming the role of the Industrial Growth Plan delivery body, and it's done a fantastic job of really championing the supply chain for the offshore wind sector.
OWGP has a significant place in the market in terms of that supply chain supporting mechanism.
It's been a big success story. They've already been funding and worked supporting over 300 different projects, over 1,000 jobs created just because of the work the OWGP have done.
It'll continue to support companies through business transformation and through grant funding, but the key part is that it's doing it in a strategic way with a strategy board with representations from the key funders across the UK.
I've started the recruitment of key positions, and those are centred around strategy development, supply chain, pipeline building, and through those differentiated capabilities we will establish Offshore Wind Growth Partnership for the next phase of its journey.
We started with OWGP in 2021 and they've supported us ever since, including providing us with development grant funding for a project that's helping us to deliver Hornsea 3. It helped cement our ideas and it helped to make sure we were aligned with what the business and the UK needs were.
We're very pleased to receive a development grant from OWGP to manufacture the next generation of cable technology. Everything we've been doing here with OWGP is absolutely aligned to what the industry is trying to do, to capitalise on new technology, to open up opportunities to use larger turbines, but also to generate more power and bring it back to shore.
We've got to make sure the developers will support whatever we invest in, and we've got to make sure that whether you're another stakeholder, whether you're a government or GB Energy or the Crown Estate, that you are aligned with what we're investing in, so that we work as a team in maximising the benefit of everybody.
With an opportunity this size, it's really, really important that we are working together in the right way. We're working with the clusters that are already established in the country to make sure that we get it right and that we can draw investment and funding into the right parts of the sector.
Any supply chain company looking to participate in the offshore wind sector should get in touch. Definitely companies in adjacent sectors, people from aerospace, from oil and gas, please come and talk to us. Don't be shy. We've got a very, very open door.